Good day, guys. Welcome to Trendywood channel. So in today we'll be learning how to create this amazing birthday flyer design or birthday poster design from scratch. So just stick with me as we'll journey gradually on this design. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, please share, and please also comment the new thing that you learned from this video. Thank you. So now let's go. So I will change this background to pure white so that we can see the end of our pixels. Okay, now let me import the design. So this is the design. I will just drop it here for the sake of guidance so that I will not do something outside what I have done already. So this is the background, and for those of you that haven't joined my Telegram this in group, please join, because all the material used in this video will be dropped there. You will get first class information from Trendywood, and I'll also drop the link to this material in the description of this video. So please also watch to the end. So now this is the background, but this background now I don't like it. I don't like the color because the color will fight my design. So what did I do? I went to my hue to change the color to pink. Now this is a situation whereby you have a background that you love, but because of the color of the background you cannot use it. So this is what you do. You come here, you change the color. So let me say our color, let's manage 15. Okay, seems like this background is a little bit dark, so I will come here, we try to reduce the saturation, and okay, saturation is not welcome. Let's see contrast, what we can get if we reduce the contrast. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, so let me come here. Okay, let me come import. Now I want to import my image. So this is my image. So the image, when it was sent to me initially, it was rough. It was really rough. It wasn't like this. So if you want me to do video on how to work on image before using them for design, kindly comment in the description, kindly comment in the comment section, so that I will know that indeed that you need it, so that I can do video on it. So now I'm about to blur the edges of this place. I'm about to blend it. So now just go to your draw. She's putting on black already. Increase your pencil size, your smoothness, increase it, your blur radius also increase it. Then I tap anywhere on the screen. Okay, sorry, I didn't draw. So increase it back, increase it also, increase it. Then pick one of the color here, which is black. So I picked black already. Then tap anywhere on the screen like twice. 1, 2. Then come here and I drag it. Now dragging it, now you're using it to cover the edges of the picture. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Now this is another method. There are different ways to blend image, and this is just one of the methods to blend your image. Then you can also drop one here. You lock it. Now you can come to your image. Let me say, for instance, your image is a little bit dark, is not sharp the way you need it. Go to your color filter depending on the concept that you need. Note, don't abuse this process. Then now you increase your contrast a little bit. contrast now to make the image pops out a little bit. Your saturation, I think the image is already saturated already, so no need, but contrast is needed. Then the next thing you do now is to enter your text. Okay, let me also cover this part of the hair. So at this juncture, we've covered everything. At this point, everything is covered. So all we need to do now is to create a line that will guide us. Now this is one thing beginner fail to do. Go to your shape, increase your shape like this. Now this line you're creating now is a line that will guide your designing process, and it will make your design to look professional and look good. The essence of the line is to guide where your text will be. That's all. Then you create it. I'm coming. Just look at what I'm doing. Now you can use ruler, but I'm not a fan of that rule, so I find an alternative. I just find a way around it by using this other one. So now, like this, now all my words will be within this place. None of them will exceed there. So now let's go. Let's have it. So all you need to do now is to bring in your birthday this thing. Now I've actually did a video on how to achieve this text. Now this text, now I did it on a website on my Chrome. So I will drop the link. Okay, I will drop the video at the end screen of this video. That's the video will display at the end of this video. So you just tap on it and you go and learn how to create it yourself. So watch till the end. If you didn't watch to the end, you will not see the video. So just watch, don't skip any part. I will drop the link of the video. It will display somewhere here. Let me indicate it as once. It will display somewhere here at the end part of this video. Note, at the end part of this video. So now let's have it. So this is the birthday fonts that I have designed already. So all I need to do is to centralize it. Are you following me? All I need to do is to centralize it. Then we'll lock it. Then the second one is to import the other text again. So it's a gradual process. Let's reduce the size of this one. So let's increase the size of the birthday to give them that hierarchy and this thing pattern. So are you seeing? So now let's drop it. Let's make it straight and drop it on a straight line as usual. Okay, here we go. So let's outline the birthday a little bit. So now let's bring it up. Now let's bring it up. Okay, now let me let's just watch what I'm doing. I'm about to bring something. Then let me change the color so that you see it at once. So this stuff now is to be dropped at the end of this other part to create unity and also to beautify so we can just change the color to gray. So let me just bring this one a little bit. Now you change the color to get that gray, or let's just use normal color then change it to gray. So just copy again, go to your, now I want to rotate it, go to your 3D rotate your y-axis, rotate it like this. then you drop it somewhere here, you lock it, then you centralize it. So are you seeing that we've gotten the first face? Then now you can take it up to get more space at the down of what you're doing. So just we're about to enter the main event now. Then the next thing is verified. So the verify, we can reduce the size to 21. Then you can make the color to be pure white. Then increase the spacing, space it out very well. Increase the spacing. So yeah, centralize. Then take your this thing, choose a better font. So the font I'm using for the verified is called Satoshi. Then you drop it here. Are you seeing that we are there gradually? So the next thing is to bring in paper effect, a tone paper effect. So this is why I say you shouldn't skip this video, so that you will not miss. Once you miss any part or any step of this video, automatically you've missed the important part of the video, which it won't be nice. So all you need to do now is to reduce the size here, drop it like this. But now you're not using red because red will fight your design. What you will use at this point is what? White. You're using white at this moment. Then you enter the name of the celebrant. Let me say the name of the celebrant is Threading Wood. Trending Wood. Okay. Now at this moment you're changing the color to, you're using ox blood for the color. Using ox blood for the color. Okay. So now we're about to wrap up as usual. You know how we normally do on this channel. Once we are done introducing the difficult part of our design, we always round up. So here now is where we'll put our dates. So let me see the original design if we are missing out on anything. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so now the side of our design is a little bit is empty, which needs to be filled. That space needs to be filled. So we brought in this speaker, then change the color to color filter. Use the color filter, change it. Okay, if the color does not blend, what you do now, you change it to black. That's one of the secrets. Reduce the brightness to 15. Then now you rotate it like this. Then now you're bringing it at the down part of all this thing. Sorry, just bring it upwards a little bit. Then you're dropping it on the shadows like this. Then all you need to do now at this moment to reduce the opacity a little bit. Then you also do same to this other parts. Rotate it also to 30. Rotate it also to 34. Now why are you doing this? Just always know why you're doing something. Now you're doing this so that the side of your design will not look empty. Rotate it like this also. You also drop it at that spot. Are you seeing? You also drop it at that spot. Then let me lock it. So now this part of your design, this part is where you let me use something big. This part is where you put the DJ name and the rest. Then you can adjust your details, all these details. Now you can adjust it to the up, bring it somewhere here, and your address will be at the bottom. Here is where you put your dates. sorry, your time, your date here. Are you seeing? So please kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial.